Indian tennis player Leander Pace, one of the sport's true legends, turned 45 on June 17. On Pace's 45th birthday, Twitter was flooded with wishes. Wishing the Pace on his birthday, a Twitterati wrote, "Today 45 years ago, one of India's greatest tennis player Leander Pace was born. Has won 8 doubles and 10 mixed doubles Gs titles. Won bronze medal in singles in 1996 Atlanta Olympics. Only tennis player to compete at 7 Olympics, 1992 to 2016. Has most Davis Cup doubles wins, 43. Another wrote, "Happy birthday Leander Pace sir, you are the best tennis star India has ever witnessed. More health, happiness and more tennis ahead of your life. Happy B-Day Leander Pace. 1, 3, 5 and 6 best for number 8 while name should add to 6, 1 or 5. Some people are blessed with ready-made names. Leander Pace is one of them whose name adds to 42, like Shah Rukh Khan. Both PM's number 8 too. Dr. Manmohan Singh has his name adding up to 19. Pace is also a former world number 1 in doubles and the only Indian tennis player to win an Olympic medal for India. He is also a recipient of India's highest sporting honour Arjuna Award."